Want the complete blueprint for thriving long-term on carnivore? Here it is, the Carnivore Nutrient Mastery Formula. This is the final video in my Carnivore Nutrient Mastery series. In the first two, we looked at the nutrients most often missed, and then what's still missing even if you eat organs and dairy. Now, I'll put it all together in one simple formula so you know exactly how to build a carnivore diet that supports you for years to come. So let's start with ruminant meat. Beef, lamb, or bison. This is your foundation. Here's why it matters. Complete protein with all essential amino acids. You get enough heme iron to support oxygen transport, zinc for immune function, creatine and carnosine for muscle and brain health. This is why so many people feel better just eating beef. It's nutrient dense and bioavailable. But here's the mistake, stopping here. Steak-only carnivore is like pouring a concrete slab and never building the rest of the house. Strong foundation, but incomplete. Next, add organs, especially liver and heart. These are your support beams. Liver brings vitamin A for vision and immunity, folate for red blood cells, copper for energy metabolism, and B12 for your nerves. The heart adds CoQ10 and taurine, supporting mitochondrial energy and cardiovascular health. The mistake? Many avoid organs because of the taste, but just 2 or 3 ounces once or twice a week is enough to fill huge nutritional gaps. Mix them into ground beef, make a pate, or cube and saute. The payoff is worth it. Let's talk about dairy now. Now we insulate the house with dairy. This balances the whole system. Calcium for bones and muscle contraction, riboflavin, which is B2 for energy and metabolism, vitamin K2 directs calcium where it belongs, and depending on the farming practices, dairy can also supply iodine for thyroid health. Depends on the feed that they're giving the cows. The mistake, overdoing dairy or relying on processed cheese. Think quality, hard cheeses, Greek yogurt, butter, ghee from grass-fed cows, or heavy cream from grass-fed cows. These add balance without pushing you off track. Finally, the roof, seafood and shellfish. Without this, your nutritional house is open to the elements. Salmon and sardines deliver omega-3s and vitamin D. Mussels and oysters provide magnesium, potassium, manganese. These are nutrients that meat and dairy can't fully cover. Shellfish are also one of the best sources of iodine. The mistake? Ignoring seafood because you don't like fish. Even adding it once or twice a week closes the biggest remaining gap. And cod liver, whether it's a food or oil, covers vitamin A, D, and E, and omega-3s in one package. So here's the beauty. You don't need to eat all of this every day. Nutrient mastery comes from rotation. Meat is daily, organs can be weekly, dairy if tolerated, and seafood a couple times a week. This is flexible. Some thrive with dairy, others skip it. Some lean on sardines, others prefer cod liver. The key is variety. And remember, you don't need perfection, just consistency. Even hitting 80% of this blueprint will make your carnivore diet far more complete than steak only ever could. So that's the formula. Meat is the foundation, the organs are the beams, the dairy insulates the wall, and seafood seals the roof. That is how you turn carnivore from just an elimination into a fully nourishing lifestyle. Which level are you at? Meat only, organs, dairy, or full mastery of the seafood? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know where you are on your journey. And to make it practical, grab my free Carnivore Complete Week Meal Plan. It's a PDF. It shows you exactly how to rotate meat, organs, and dairy and seafood across 7 days. I'll link it below. And you can substitute what kind of seafood you like or meats, but you'll get the general idea of how to include it and when. I hope this was helpful in making your carnivore experience complete and sustainable. I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. I'll see you in the next video.